Hi, this is Weverton Polinario and here's another demo video for our real-time systems course. In this project we have 3 trains and 6 tracks. The first train can go on track 1, 2 and 3. Train 2 can go on track 2, 4 and 5. Train 3 go to 5, 6 or 3. In the project, we have to develop a way on which the trains don't hit each other. Also, they cannot go backwards. The tracks are represented by the LEDs. The red LED represents train 1 and its tracks. The green LEDs represent the second train and its tracks. The yellow ones represent train 3. If the LED is on, it means a train is on it. In this demo, I will simulate 4 scenarios. In the first one, the first train is circling and the other ones are stopped. In this second situation, the second train is the one which is circling and the rest ones are stopped. Now, in the third situation, things get more interesting. The first train is on track 3, the same train 3 was going. Because of that, the third train needs to wait the first one completely pass, so it can continue on track 3. In the last scenario, we want the second one train to move, but it only does so if the first one get out of its way. As you can see, our strategy is a train only moves if the track is available. Our team is composed by Dimitris, Euler and I, Weverton. Thank you.